Hello Goenkans, I hope everybody is fine. Dear kids, in this video we are going to introduce a new chapter, chapter number 14, and the title of the chapter is Handling Data. In this chapter we will go through few types of graphs which will show us how to present the data in different ways. First of all, we will discuss what is data. Data means information. Any information we have is also termed as data, or in other words I can say that data is another name for information. So now data handling means how we gather this information, how we organize it, and how we present it at the time of requirement. This is all included in data handling. Data is usually represented using graphs, and in this chapter we are going to discuss few graphs. Like we have bar graph, we have pictograph, we have pie chart, we have line graph. There are different types of graphs and we are going to discuss few of them. First of all, we will discuss pictograph. Whenever we represent information or data about a particular quantity through pictures, it is called a pictograph. You can also call it picture graph whenever we make use of pictures to represent the data. We have an example here. The picture graph shows the number of storybooks read by 4 friends in a month. Answer the questions below. We have been given this picture graph or pictograph. We have to read it and we have to answer the questions. So we will learn how to read a graph. First of all, we will consider this thing that this picture stands for 2 books. This is a picture of a book, right? But we need to keep one thing in mind, that each book stands for 2 books here. So the 4 friends are Arnav, Ishan, Devika and Lakshmi. For Arnav we have 3 books here, but each book stands for 2. That means Arnav reads 3 2s are 6. Likewise for Ishan we have 4 here, 4 2s are 8. That means Ishan reads 8 books in a month, storybooks. Devika reads 2 2s are 4. And Lakshmi reads 5 2s are 10. Lakshmi reads 10 books. Now, reading the pictograph given, we have to answer these questions. Who read the most number of books? Here through data, you can see who read more. This is 6, this is 8, this is 4 and this is 10. Of course, Lakshmi reads more books, right? So, we write Lakshmi here. And how many? 10, because 5 into 2 is 10. Next we have who read the least number of books. Here you can see from the pictograph there are only 2 in Devika's column. That means she reads only 4 books in a month. So Devika reads least number of books, and how many? 4. Last question is how many more books did Ishan read than Arnav? First we check how many Ishan read. He reads 8. How many Arnav reads? He reads 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. That means Ishan reads 2 more books than Arnav. This is how we read a pictograph and how are we able to represent the data using pictograph, and how are we able to read it and gather the information from it. This was all from this video. Thank you very much. Al-Habib.